Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure custom domains for Softr projects step by step clearly. To configure custom domains for your Softr projects, begin by logging into your Softr account. Navigate to the project dashboard of the specific project you want to configure. Locate the settings icon in the left sidebar and click on it. In the settings menu, find the domains section. Click on that Add Custom Domain button. Input the custom domain you wish to use in the provided field. Ensure that the domain is correctly formatted and includes your desired extension. After entering your domain, click on the Save button to confirm your entry. Next, open a new tab and log into your domain registrar's website. Access the DNS settings for the domain you just added. You will need to create a new name record. For the name record, set the host field to www or the subdomain you want to use. In the value or points to field, enter the Softr provided URL. Save your DNS settings to apply the changes. It may take some time for the DNS changes to propagate. Once completed, return to your Softr project dashboard. Refresh the page to see if your custom domain status shows as verified. If it appears verified, you can now set your custom domain as the primary domain for your project. To do this, click the checkbox next to your custom domain in the domains list. Finally, test your custom domain by entering it into a web browser to ensure it's connected to your Softr project. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.